Welcome. In this video I'm going to be doing a raw, uncut teardown of the FanttikOutdoor Alpha C4 Ultra Instant Cabin Tent. So this was provided to me by the distributor, but they're not compensating me for this video and they're not reviewing it before I post it. If you find this video helpful and you want to purchase one of these, I'll put a link to it in the description, and if you use that link it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. So that's the raw, uncut teardown of the FanttikOutdoor Alpha C4 Ultra Instant Cabin Tent. That's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.